Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. So today I have a very easy amazing recipe that is idli, loved by all. So let's learn how to make it. Now here are the ingredients we require. We require 1.5 glass of dosa rice. You'll get it in any provision store. We'll add 1.5 cup and wash it. And we'll need half glass of urad dal, and we'll need the channa dal or kadle bele and methi seeds. Methi seeds are half spoon and kadle bele is 1 spoon. Channa dal is 1 spoon, and this is poha or avlaki. This is around half a cup, and we'll soak all of this. So here I've washed the rice and urad dal and poha. Let's add water and soak it for 5 to 8 hours. Soak it in separate bowls, it will be easier to grind it. Now I have soaked it for almost 8 hours. Now let's grind it. We'll add the methi and the chana dal to this, the urad dal, and we'll grind urad dal and rice separately because we want urad dal to be in a paste form. Now I've grinded it like this. Until you get these bubbles, you grind it because the bubbles will show that it's done. Now we'll add our rice to it and grind it again. We'll not be using this water, we'll be using only rice. Now I've removed the excess water from the rice. Now I'm going to add it to the urad dal and then grind it again. Now I've grinded the rice into a smooth batter. We'll add half of our poha. I've left this much and I've added that. Now I've grinded the batter like this. You can see it's very smooth. We'll transfer it into a bigger bowl. Now I've transferred the batter into a bigger bowl and we'll add some crystal salt. Add it right now because if you add it later when you're making the idli, it usually doesn't turn out that great. So we'll add it and mix it. Now our batter is ready. We'll keep it to ferment overnight. Now the batter is ready. It's fermented. I've left it overnight. Let's see. Can you see how wonderful it looks? Let me get it close to the camera. It's very nicely fermented and very nice smell is coming. If you're making it now only, well and good, or else keep it in the fridge and make it when you want. Now let's make the idlis. Now that the batter is ready, let's add 2 glasses of water into the idli cooker. Here I have 2 glasses of water in this, and we'll put it to heat. Now while that's heating, we'll take our idli stand and put some oil in it so that the idli doesn't stick. Now all my plates are greased. So let's put our idli batter. You can see how nice the idli batters come. It's nicely fermented and it's very frothy. We'll put less. This much is more than enough. Now I'll put it all in my plates and then let's steam it. Now you can see it's boiling. Let's put our idli in it. And we'll cook it for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes roughly. Let's close it. Now it's done. Let's open it. It will be very hot. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Can't wait to show you guys. Now it's done. Let's remove our idli and see how it's up. It's so soft. This is what I meant by pillow soft idli. Can you guys see it? It's so nice. Now our pillows of idlis are ready. Let's add some ghee on top of it. Let me show you how it is coming. Can you guys see it? I don't know if the camera can focus. It's so good. You guys should definitely try this.